Namaste, chefs! Welcome back to my kitchen. But
wait a second.
This doesn't look like my kitchen. Where are we? We are at the beach. And today, we are not cooking with flour and sugar. We are cooking with sand. That's right. We're going to make the most amazing, sandy, sunny beach feast you have ever seen. Are you ready?
Let's get our buckets and shovels and start our beach bakery. First things first, every great chef needs the best ingredients. Look at all this golden sand.
We have fine, soft sand here, and a little bit of wetter, darker sand over there by the water. That is perfect for building. And look what I found. Seashells. These will be the perfect decorations for our sandy cakes. We have swirly ones, fan-shaped ones, and tiny little white ones. Let's gather a whole bunch in our bucket. We are like treasure hunters looking for yummy decorations. Okay, let's start with our first recipe, a giant 3-layer beach birthday cake. First, we need to make our cake batter. Let's scoop up lots and lots of wet sand. Pack it down tight in our biggest bucket. Pat, pat, pat. Now,
Ready for the magic?
we flip it over. 1, 2, 3, lift. Wow, look at that. A perfect first layer. It's so big. Now we need a smaller layer to go on top. Let's use our medium-sized bucket. Fill it up with more wet sand, pack it down really, really good, and flip it right on top of our first layer. Perfect! We are amazing at this.
One more layer to go.
Let's use our smallest cup for the very top. Fill it, pack it, and flip it. Ta-da! We have a 3-layer sand cake. It looks incredible, but it's not finished yet. It needs decorations. Let's use those beautiful seashells we found. I'm going to put this big, swirly shell right on top, like a cake topper. Then we can press these little white shells all around the sides of each layer. It's like we are adding sprinkles. We can even use some seaweed to make squiggly lines of frosting. This is the fanciest sand cake ever. Happy sandy birthday to us. Next on the menu, we are making some sandy cupcakes. For this, we will use these small paper cups. Let's fill each one with sand. We can make different flavors.
This one with the light-colored sand can be a vanilla cupcake.
And this one with the darker, wetter sand can be a chocolate cupcake. Yum! Now, let's decorate them. I'm going to place one tiny, perfect shell on top of each cupcake. They look so cute and delicious. We can line them all up in a row, ready for our beach party. How many did we make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sandy cupcakes. What's a feast without some cookies? Let's make some shell-shaped sand cookies. This is super easy and so much fun. Find a big, flat, fan-shaped shell.
Now, pack some wet sand onto it, making sure it gets into all the little grooves. Pat it down flat.
Now, carefully flip it over onto a flat patch of sand and lift the shell. Look!
It left a perfect shell print in the sand. It's a sand cookie. We can make a dozen of these. Let's make a big one, a small one, and another one right here. Our beach bakery is getting full of yummy treats.
Now,
For my favorite part, sand pizza.
let's create a big circle in the sand. This will be our pizza dough. Pat it down so it's nice and round. What goes up? Pizza. Sauce. Let's pretend
the cheese.
Let's sprinkle some dry, light-colored sand on top for mozzarella cheese. What about toppings? These smooth, gray pebbles can be our olives. And these long pieces of green seaweed can be green peppers. Let's arrange them all over our pizza. This looks good enough to eat.
Well, almost.
Don't actually eat the sand. This is just for fun. Our grand beach feast is complete. We have a magnificent 3-layer cake, a row of adorable cupcakes, a plate of shell-shaped cookies, and a giant everything on it sand pizza. We are the best beach chefs in the whole wide world.
Making all this was so much fun. My favorite part was decorating the cake with all the shells. What was your favorite part? Maybe making the pizza?
Or the little cupcakes.
Playing with sand is one of the best things about going to the beach.
You can build anything you can imagine. I had so much fun cooking with you today at our special beach kitchen. It just shows that you can be creative and have fun anywhere. All you need is your imagination. Remember to always clean up your toys and leave the beach even more beautiful than you found it.
We have to take care of our beautiful oceans and beaches. Thank you so much for joining me on this sandy adventure.
I hope you had as much fun as I did. If you liked making our beach feast, give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure.
We might be back in the real kitchen next time, or we might be somewhere new and exciting. Bye for now, my bestie chefs.